Today's topic is menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle, which occurs only in female in its reproductive organs. In case of males, millions and millions of sperms are produced, but in females, only one ovum is produced at interval of 28 days. That is, it starts from the first day, remains for 28 days, and will destroy. Again, it will start from the first day, remain for 28 days, and will destroy. So, this repeats in every month. These repetitive changes are called as menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycles starts at the age of 13, which is called puberty, and ends till the age of 45 to 50. Menstrual cycle does not occur or temporarily stops in pregnant women or during the period of breastfeeding, that is lactation. Menstrual cycle is a natural process. It contains 4 phases. The first phase is period of menstruation. Phase of menstruation or bleeding phase, it remains for 4 to 5 days. The second phase is period of regeneration of endometrium lining. Here the endometrium starts developing and it thickens. 14th day is called as ovulation period. During this day, the ovum or the oocyte is released from the ovary. And the last, that is period of secretion of gland in endometrium. In this, the corpus luteum starts to secrete progesterone hormone. Endometrial glands secrete their secretion under the effect of progesterone, and the endometrium is ready for the implantation of embryo. The menstrual cycle begins at the age of 13 when the hypothalamus stimulates the pituitary to release FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, that is luteinizing hormone. Hypothalamus tells your pituitary to release FSH and another hormone LH, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. This follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the ovary to release a hormone, that is estrogen. This estrogen helps to release an egg. Hormones are chemical messengers. The matured follicle is stimulated by estrogen to rupture and release the egg, and the remains of the follicle convert into corpus luteum, secretes 2 hormones, progesterone and estrogen. The progesterone mainly has function to maintain the endometrium lining, and the estrogen also helps for assessing the progesterone in maintaining the endometrium lining. If oocyte is not fertilized within 24 hours, corpus luteum becomes inactive and transfers into corpus albicans. Due to this, secretion of estrogen and progesterone stops completely. Endometrium starts to degenerate. In the absence of these 2 hormones, tissue degenerate. Endometrium and the unfertilized ovum are discarded out through vagina. This is accompanied by the continuous bleeding. The bleeding continues for 4 to 5 days, and this is called as menstruation. Menstrual cycle is a natural process, and the woman experiences severe pains during this period. Severe weakness is felt due to heavy bleeding. There is higher possibility of infection too during this overall period. So, due to all these reasons, there is a need of rest along with a special personal hygiene.